Hey guys, I am so excited today because I got my We Are Knitters package in the mail. Look at this. I am so excited to open this. It's already kind of bitten into because Wilfred decided to try to open it on his own. I'm gonna bring you guys down a little bit, and Wilfred already wants to open this. He just came out of nowhere and he's like, all right, let's do it. The box comes like this. It says We Are Knitters, and same thing on the other side, We Are Knitters, all the happiness in a kit. And it tells you to reuse the box, which is great. And then the tape here actually has their We Are Knitters. This is what it comes like, if you can see. They just put all the kits in there in this big box. And I bought 3 kits, 2 of which are for me, and then 1 is for my friend who is having a kid. And I got her this little Guppy Cardigan kit, which is so cute because she's having a kid in April. It's for kids that are 6 months to 9 months old, so I figured now that she has some time, she can work on this. I'm so excited for her and I'm very happy for her, so I decided to get them a little gift. And I'm not gonna open this because it's not my gift, so sorry, it's not my kit, so I'm not gonna open it. Okay, Wilfred's already in the box and I can't even move it, so I might have to just sit on my armrest. If you guys saw my other video about me getting a couch, I'm sitting on the new couch right now and I love this couch. It's so comfy and it looks good. I'm so excited. I'm very happy with my purchase of this couch. Wilfred is actually just on the kits now and I can't move him. Like, I don't know if you can see. He is just sitting on the kits. Sir, I need to get one of these. Are you going to get off? Oh my god, it looks like he's about to sit down, like, get comfy. Alright, so I think we're just gonna let Wilfred sit here, and then when he gets out, then I'll continue the video. I don't want to force him out. Such a cutie. How is this not the cutest little thing ever? So we are back. Wilfred's gone, and I can now show you guys the other 2 kits I got. I kind of just chose things based off of how the garment looks, and I thought this garment looked great and I bought it. So first of all, we have the midnight cardigan, and second of all, we have the Philetto cardigan. So they're both just cardigans. I'm going to show you guys what's inside these 2 now. I think we can start off with the midnight cardigan. The back looks like this. I'm gonna keep the sticker. I always keep the stickers. I'm like one of those people who, when I open presents, I try not to break anything, but I think I might end up breaking the sticker. Oh no, the sticker peels off really easily. Oh yeah, I love when a sticker peels off so easily. This is the first look into the kit. So I'll grab that thing first. Let's see what's in here. I got needles, 80 cm, 32 inches, 5 millimeters. This is what they look like. But now I'm gonna grab the little envelope. We Are Knitters. We got stickers! I love stickers. Oh my god, I love stickers. So I didn't get the paper pattern because I figured I can just use it digitally. I was worried that I wouldn't get stickers because I got the digital pattern and not the paper one, but you do indeed still get stickers if you get the digital pattern only. And then in here, there's 2 more things. There's the We Are Knitter tag, which looks really nice. Make sure you sew it on after you're done. And of course, they give you the needles to sew it on. Let's see what else is in here. I think it's just yarn now. Oh my god, it's merino wool and it feels so nice. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, which is really pretty. That's all in the kit. I'm gonna put it back in. I think these kits are really great for beginners like me. I'm gonna open this one now, which is the Philetto cardigan. Again, it comes with it says it comes with the pattern, but I got the digital pattern. It comes with the needle, the tag, the bag, which is I guess just this bag, 3 millimeter needle, and then 5 balls of these yarn. Ooh, this looks really nice. I really like this color. I forgot to mention, this is in beige and this is in gray. I mean, you can't tell, but I mean, just to be very clear, those are the 2 colors. Oh my god, this is so soft. This is really soft. Okay, so 30% baby alpaca and 70% merino wool. I really like this color. I'm basically just saying that I really like gray. And this is the circular knitting needle that I got with the kit. And in this envelope, again, I'm pretty sure we got stickers again. Yep, more stickers. And then pretty sure it just comes with the tag and needle again, which it does. I'm just so excited to get this project started, but I have to finish my cardigan first that I'm crocheting, which is almost done. I'm doing the sleeves, and then once I'm done that, I'm just gonna get started on one of these projects. I also want to like sew a shirt. I have so many projects that I have lined up, and it's just like insane. And the fact that I still have to study for CFA, it's just like, but where am I gonna find time for all of this? And if you're interested in my cardigan that I'm crocheting, I'm gonna have a video linked down below. I'm still working on it, but I'm sure I'm gonna make a video on it. So just look down below in the description to see if there's the video, and I'm very excited to show that to you because I think it really looks good. Actually, let me give you a sneak peek of my cardigan. This is my cardigan, and I'm just working on the sleeves right now. I still have to do the other side. This is my very first time ever crocheting a cardigan, and I think it turned out really well. I really like the neck ribbing. I just like the ribbing all over. It looks really nice, and I really liked this color sleeve with this color body. If you guys are beginners like me, you might be interested to see my journey in crocheting this and those struggles I had, because I did struggle a lot, especially with learning how to do the ribbing and also the sleeves. But if you guys are interested, definitely go check out the video below. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys more of these videos because honestly, I'm just somebody with a lot of hobbies. There's so many projects I want to try and start and do. If you guys are interested in these types of videos, definitely subscribe to me because I'm going to be making a lot more of these types of videos. I just really like showing my projects and just sharing my hobbies with you guys. So yeah, if you're interested in like crocheting, knitting, sewing, or like even drawing, because I really like drawing and painting, oh my god, just basically any craft stuff, like just subscribe to me, okay? And of course featuring Wilfred, because Wilfred follows me everywhere. So if you're into cats as well, definitely subscribe to me. And yeah, I'm excited to share my future projects with you guys and see you guys in my future videos. That's basically it for this video. Hopefully this video gave you guys a good idea of what's in the kits and what to expect if you guys are buying the same thing. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!